Here we will see binding navigator in C#. The binding navigator control represents a standardized way to navigate and manipulate data on a form. In most cases, a binding navigator is paired with binding source control to move through data records on a form and interact with them. The binding navigator control is composed of a toolstrip with a series of toolstrip items for most of the common data related actions like adding data, deleting data and navigating through a data. By default, the binding navigator control contains these standard buttons. The following screenshot shows the binding navigator control on a form. By default, the binding navigator controls user interface is composed of a series of toolstrip buttons, text boxes, and static text elements for most common data related actions such as adding data, deleting data, and navigating through data. Each of these controls can be retrieved or set through an associated member of the binding navigator control. Likewise, there is also a one-to-one correspondence to members within the binding source class that programmatically perform the same functionality. The functionality provided is shown in the following table. First is add new item, which is used to insert a new row into the underlying data source. Delete item, which deletes the current row from the underlying data source. Move first item, moves to the first item in the underlying data source. Move last item, moves to the last item in the underlying data source. Move next item, moves to the next item in the underlying data source. Move previous item, which moves to the previous item in the data source. Position item returns the current position within the data source. And count item returns the total number of items in the underlying data source. Different properties for binding navigators are: add new item, which is used to get source sets the toolstrip item that represents the add new button. Binding source property is used to get source sets the binding source component that is the source of data. Count item format get source sets a string used to format the information displayed in count item control. Dock property is used to get source sets which toolstrip borders are docked to its parent control and determines how a toolstrip is resized with its parent. Layout style is used to get source sets a value indicating how the toolstrip layout the item collection. Different methods for binding navigators are: focus, which is used to set the input focus to the control. Hide method is used to hide the control from the user. And show method is used to display the control to the user. Different events for navigator controls are: click, which occurs when the control is clicked. Got focus event occurs when the control receives the focus. Item clicked event occurs when the toolstrip item is clicked. And item removed event occurs when the toolstrip item is removed from the toolstrip collection.